Hey, welcome back to my analysis channel. Today I'm actually going, well, not today because I already uploaded like 2 videos today. This is my 3rd one. But anyway, I'm going to be making an edit for someone, and I have not done this style before. I've done similar, but not the exact same style. But yeah, let's go. I have to erase all the background. That's just so I can see the light a bit better, so if you guys can actually see that, I'm really sorry. But I had to turn my brightness down. I don't know why I agreed to do this edit. I guess I was just bored. But honestly, I do like doing it. It depends on like what edit they want. But they said that they don't mind, so I don't think it matters. I am like so bad at these. I'm almost done with this though, or sorta. Wait, what? I don't even know. So far I did that. Now I couldn't get rid of the white background thing, but I think it added a good effect to it at least. So now I'm gonna go and do PicMonkey. And then we're actually just gonna do like a few things with it. Now I'm actually just messing around with this. And now what we're actually going to do is we're going to type in bonjour. So now, because I can't actually save it because it won't let me, I have to screenshot it like this. No, I just named it something completely random because I'm always too lazy to actually do stuff. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to go add me on UK and message me if you want an edit. But yeah, bye bye.